everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really important topic: why determining your life direction is essential. I think we've all been in that place where we feel stuck, unsure of what we're doing, or even where we're going in life. It can be frustrating, right? Knowing your life direction isn't just about having a 10-year plan or knowing every step of your journey. It's about having a sense of purpose, a guiding star that helps you make decisions, whether big or small. When you understand your life's direction, it brings clarity to your choices. You wake up with a sense of focus because you know what you're working toward. Having a direction gives you more than just goals. It gives you a reason behind those goals. And when life throws challenges your way, and trust me, it will, knowing your direction helps you stay grounded. You'll know what truly matters to you, so even if things get hard, you won't lose sight of what's important. So if you've been feeling lost or unsure, stick around. By figuring out your life direction, you're not just living day by day. You're creating a path that leads to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Stay tuned because we'll be breaking this down step by step. All right, let's jump into the first major step in determining your life direction: self-reflection. This is where everything starts. You can't figure out where you're going if you don't know where you are right now, right? Take a good look at where you are in life. This means reflecting on all areas: your career, relationships, personal growth, health, everything. Are you happy with how things are? What's working and what's not? By assessing your current situation, you can figure out if you're on the right path or if there are areas that need change. This helps you gain clarity on what might be holding you back. Next up, get honest about your strengths and weaknesses. What are you naturally good at? What do you struggle with? Knowing your strengths can help guide you toward opportunities that fit you, while recognizing your weaknesses can help you grow or identify areas where you might need support. This self-awareness is key to making sure the direction you choose aligns with who you are. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, reflect on your core values and beliefs. These are the things that matter to you the most, the principles you live by. Whether it's family, freedom, creativity, or helping others, your values shape your decisions and actions. When you know what you truly believe in, it becomes much easier to choose a path that resonates with your authentic self. So take some time to reflect. Think about where you are, what you're good at, and what matters most to you. This will lay a solid foundation as you start defining your life's direction. Now that we've spent some time reflecting on where you are, let's dive into defining your purpose. This is where things really start to get exciting, because once you know your purpose, everything begins to click. So what exactly is purpose? Your purpose is your why. It's the reason you do what you do. It gives your life meaning and direction. Without purpose, it's easy to feel lost, like you're just going through the motions. But when you have a clear purpose, you live with intention. It matters because it brings fulfillment and a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you're working towards something meaningful to you. All right, I know finding your purpose can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few techniques you can try. First, look at your passions. What are you passionate about? What excites you or sparks your curiosity? Your purpose often aligns with what you love. Next, examine your experiences. Think about the challenges you've overcome. Sometimes, your purpose is connected to the lessons you've learned through your struggles. Finally, ask yourself, how do I want to contribute to the world? This could be big or small, but knowing how you want to make a difference helps define your purpose. By reflecting on these aspects of your life, you can start to uncover your unique purpose and direction. Finally, it's all about action. Once you've discovered your purpose, you need to integrate it into your daily life. This doesn't mean you need to change everything overnight, but it does mean making sure your decisions, habits, and goals all align with your purpose. When you're living in alignment with your purpose, your day-to-day actions become more intentional and you feel more connected to what you're doing. So take some time to reflect on these questions and techniques. When you define your purpose, you'll notice everything starts to make more sense, and life becomes that much more fulfilling. Now that you've defined your purpose, the next step is setting clear goals and building a vision for your life. This is where your dreams start to take shape and become actionable. A vision is like the big picture of where you want to be. It's imagining your ideal future and what you truly want out of life. Don't hold back here. Think about what would make you feel the most fulfilled. What kind of person do you want to become? What do you want to achieve, experience, and contribute? Having a clear vision gives you a destination to work toward and helps you stay focused along the way. Once you have that vision, it's time to turn it into specific, actionable steps. And that's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's how it works. Specific means clearly defining what you want to achieve, as vague goals won't get you anywhere. Measurable ensures you can track your progress. Achievable means setting realistic goals that challenge you but are within reach. Relevant goals should align with your purpose and vision. Time-bound means setting a deadline to keep yourself accountable. Long-term goals can feel overwhelming, so it's important to break them down into smaller, manageable actions. Think of it like building a staircase to your vision. Focus on what you can do in the next week, month, or year to move closer to your goal. This keeps things from feeling too big to tackle and makes it easier to stay motivated. By creating a vision, setting SMART goals, and breaking them into bite-sized steps, you'll be on a clear, actionable path toward your life's direction. It's all about turning your dreams into achievable milestones. Now that you've got your vision and goals in place, let's talk about something we all face: obstacles. No matter how clear your path is, challenges will come up, and learning how to overcome them is key to staying on track. Obstacles come in two forms: internal and external. Internal roadblocks are things like self-doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs, those mental barriers that hold you back. External roadblocks are things outside of your control, like financial struggles, lack of resources, or even other people. The first step to overcoming obstacles is recognizing what's standing in your way, both inside and out. Once you've identified the obstacles, it's important to build resilience. Resilience is your ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep going. It's about developing a mindset that says, "This is tough, but I can handle it." Some ways to build resilience include focusing on what you can control, practicing self-care, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Developing healthy coping strategies, like meditation or journaling, can also help you stay grounded when things get tough. Failure is a part of the journey, but it doesn't mean you're off track. In fact, failure is often where we learn the most. Instead of seeing it as a dead end, view it as feedback. What went wrong? What can you learn from it? And how can you adapt moving forward? Sometimes adjusting your path slightly or trying a new approach is all you need to keep moving toward your goals. Remember, obstacles are inevitable, but they don't have to stop you. By recognizing them, building resilience, and learning from setbacks, you'll keep pushing forward and growing along the way. Now let's talk about something that can make a huge difference in your journey: seeking guidance and mentorship. No one succeeds completely on their own, and having the right people to guide and support you can help you stay on track and accelerate your progress. Mentors and advisors are people who have more experience and wisdom in the areas you want to grow. They offer valuable insights, advice, and perspective that can help you navigate challenges and stay focused on your goals. Whether it's personal growth, career development, or life direction, mentors provide a sounding board and help you see things you might miss on your own. Finding the right mentor isn't always easy, but it's worth the effort. Look for someone who aligns with your values and has experience in the areas you want to improve. This could be someone from your network, a community group, or even an online platform. When choosing a mentor, focus on someone who not only has the expertise, but also genuinely wants to help you grow. Chemistry and mutual respect are key. Once you've found a mentor or advisor, make the most of their experience. Ask thoughtful questions, seek feedback, and be open to learning from their successes and mistakes. Remember, they've already been through challenges similar to yours, so their advice can help you avoid unnecessary pitfalls. And don't just listen, take action based on their guidance to truly benefit from their experience. Mentorship is a powerful tool for growth, helping you gain clarity, learn from others, and stay accountable to your life's direction. So don't hesitate to seek guidance when you need it, you're never alone on this journey. Finally, let's talk about making decisions with confidence. Once you've defined your direction, you'll need to make clear, purposeful choices to stay on track. But decision-making can feel tough, especially when faced with uncertainty or fear. Here's how to handle it. When making decisions, always go back to your purpose and goals. Ask yourself, does this choice align with the direction I want to go? Purpose-driven decisions are easier because they keep you focused on what really matters. By using your values and vision as a filter, you'll be more confident in knowing you're making the right move. Decision-making isn't just about logic. Sometimes you need to trust your gut. The key is balancing intuition with rational thinking. Use data and facts to analyze your options, but don't ignore your instincts. Often, your gut feeling is based on experiences and subconscious patterns that might not be immediately obvious. When both intuition and logic point in the same direction, you can move forward with confidence. Uncertainty and fear are part of life, but they don't have to paralyze you. One technique is to break decisions into smaller steps. You don't have to figure everything out at once, just focus on the next small move. Another strategy is to practice mindfulness and keep your mind present. When fear of the unknown kicks in, remember that you've prepared for this by defining your purpose and goals. Take a deep breath and trust yourself. By making purpose-driven choices, balancing logic with intuition, and managing fear, you'll be able to make decisions with confidence, even when the path ahead feels unclear. Now, let's explore the concept of continuous growth and evaluation. Life is a journey, and as you move along that path, it's essential to keep growing and reassessing where you're headed. Lifelong learning is the foundation of personal growth. The world is constantly changing, and to stay relevant and fulfilled, you need to embrace new knowledge and skills. Whether it's through formal education, reading, attending workshops, or engaging in conversations, each learning opportunity helps you expand your perspective and capabilities. Remember, every experience can teach you something valuable. It's crucial to take time regularly to check in with yourself. Ask yourself, are you still aligned with your purpose? Are your goals still relevant? Life circumstances change, and so do we. Regularly reassessing your life direction allows you to ensure that you're still on the path that feels right for you. This could be monthly, quarterly, or even yearly, whatever works best for you. As you grow and learn, don't hesitate to adjust your goals and vision. What once felt like your ultimate destination may shift as you discover new passions or insights about yourself. Flexibility is key. If you find that a goal no longer resonates with you, it's perfectly okay to pivot. Embrace the changes and keep moving forward in a direction that feels authentic. Continuous growth and evaluation ensure that you're not just drifting through life but actively shaping it. By committing to lifelong learning, regularly reassessing your direction, and adapting as you evolve, you'll create a fulfilling and purposeful life. Finally, let's talk about living authentically. This is about being true to yourself in every aspect of your life, and it's a crucial part of determining and following your life direction. Living authentically means embracing who you are, including your values, beliefs, and passions. It's about showing up as your true self in every situation, whether at work, with friends, or at home. When you align your actions with your authentic self, you'll feel more fulfilled and connected. Remember, it's okay to express your individuality and stand out. Authenticity attracts the right people and opportunities into your life. As you pursue your goals, you might face external pressures that push you to conform or stray from your path. It's essential to stay grounded in your purpose. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by others' expectations, take a step back and remind yourself of your why. Ask yourself if the choices you're making are genuinely in line with your values. Staying true to your purpose empowers you to resist distractions and maintain focus on what matters most to you. Consistency is key to living authentically. When you consistently act in alignment with your values and purpose, you build trust with yourself and others. Integrity means doing what you say you'll do and standing by your principles, even when it's difficult. This creates a strong foundation for your personal and professional relationships. People respect authenticity, and when you live with integrity, you inspire others to do the same. People respect authenticity, and when you live with integrity, you inspire others to do the same. Consistency is key to living authentically. When you consistently act in alignment with your values and purpose, you build trust with yourself and others. Integrity means doing what you say you'll do and standing by your principles, even when it's difficult. This creates a strong foundation for your personal and professional relationships. People respect authenticity, and when you live with integrity, you inspire others to do the same. Let's wrap things up with a recap of the key steps to determine and follow your life direction. Remember, this journey is about continuous self-discovery and growth. We started by emphasizing the importance of self-reflection and defining your purpose. Then, we discussed the significance of setting clear, actionable goals aligned with your vision. Overcoming obstacles, seeking guidance and mentorship, and making confident decisions were also crucial parts of this journey. Finally, we explored the importance of continuous growth, living authentically, and regularly reassessing your path. Each of these steps plays a vital role in helping you navigate your life direction with clarity and purpose. Remember, determining your life direction is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Stay committed to your journey of self-discovery by being open to new experiences and perspectives. Embrace the ups and downs, knowing that each moment contributes to your growth and understanding of yourself. Make a habit of checking in with your goals and values to ensure you're still aligned with your authentic self. Lastly, be open to change. Life is dynamic, and as you evolve, so will your dreams and goals. Embracing change allows you to adapt and stay true to your authentic self. Remember, growth often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone, so don't shy away from new opportunities. By staying flexible and embracing your journey, you'll find joy and fulfillment in the process of determining and following your life direction. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to take charge of your life direction and embark on your journey of self-discovery. Remember, it's all about embracing your true self, setting purposeful goals, and being open to growth and change along the way. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful videos, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own experiences and tips for determining life direction. Until next time, stay true to yourself and keep moving forward.